I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC. Update your GPU drivers now so the display pipeline is current. Close heavy background apps in Task Manager to free RAM and CPU, and set Windows display scaling to 100% while selecting your monitor's native resolution. Once done, open Roblox and go to Settings, right arrow Graphics. Change graphics mode to manual and set quality level to 10. These first steps remove common system causes of blur and get you ready for finer adjustments. You now focus on the in-game and system tweaks that actually change pixels. In Roblox, choose manual graphics and crank quality to 10, disable or lower anti-aliasing because it can soften edges. Adjust texture quality and view distance for clarity, and run the game in full screen at your monitor's refresh rate to avoid scaling blur. Make sure DirectX is updated, and if you use GPU control panel settings, set application-controlled scaling. These steps refine rendering and eliminate softening caused by software scaling. You finish by confirming changes and applying fallback fixes. Clear Roblox temporary files and reinstall the client if options reset, and verify your monitor uses the native input and a quality HDMI or display port cable. Check the monitor's sharpness and picture mode. Game or standard is best. If blur persists, set Windows scaling to 100% and disable any GPU image scaling or sharpening overrides in the control panel. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most lingering blur issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.